If you've ever desired to make a potato salad that is so outstanding and full of Caribbean flavor for your friends, family, neighbors, or co-workers, then this is the recipe for you. For this recipe, you'll need potatoes, eggs, frozen mixed veggies or canned peas and carrots. Make sure there are no preservatives or additives, red bell pepper, celery stalk, scallions, parsley, red onion, garlic, pimento peppers or seasoning peppers, mayo, yellow mustard, lemon juice or vinegar, brown sugar, and salt. This recipe makes a lot for a potluck, a barbecue, or party, or a large family, but the recipe can be easily halved for a smaller crowd. Place the potatoes in a large pot of cold water, add salt, and bring to a boil. Then reduce the heat to a simmer. First, we'll grate or mince the garlic, then dice the red pepper. Now do the same thing with the celery, the scallion, the parsley, the red onion, and the pimento. You want a nice fine dice.
Yeah, that's not looking too professional.
You cut it very fine. As fine as you can. Skimming off the scum.
First you have to skim off the scum. Then
Just fork it up and see if it's
fork it up.
it's soft.
No, it's still hard.
Okay,
The ones at the bottom.
it's been like what, 15
soft.
minutes?
15, yeah.
So let's put the eggs in.
Okay, drop it like it's hot.
While the mixed vegetables are boiling, let's make the mayo mixture. Add the yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons lemon juice or vinegar. At this point, add a teaspoon of salt, the pimento pepper, grated garlic, and your brown sugar, and mix well. Drain the mixed veggies and set it aside. Peel and dice the eggs. Peel and dice your potatoes. Now that we have completed all the prep work, let's make the potato salad. Add the potatoes to the bowl with the mayo dressing. Then add your chopped eggs. Add in the drained mixed vegetables. The remainder of your chopped ingredients. And stir it all gently to combine. Cover the potato salad with a plastic wrap and refrigerate it immediately because potato salad tends to go bad very quickly if left too long at room temperature.
Oh God. So good. Yummy. So good.
Creamy enough.
And the fresh
Herbs.
like herbs.
Extra flavor that adds a freshness
Yes,
to it. And the
that's what
veggies.
adds the freshness. So yummy. Good job. This is a big seller.
Nene got her barbecue chicken and potato salad. Do you like it? So who likes snowboarding? Who wants to go back? Nobody?
I want to go skiing.
It's not the same thing?
No, no sticks. It looks easier.
So tell me about the
Skiing is easier? So
But then the guy was like, Daddy's friend said we should do skiing. But Daddy was like snowboarding. And at the end, it looks cool. At the end, he was like, I thought you should have done skiing. And Daddy was like, well, I thought we would look cool. God, and it's so much harder.
So you're exhausted? Scale of 1 to 10. How exhausted are those legs?
10.
You have energy to take off your clothes?
No. It was like the weight you have to lift with your leg. It's like lifting the whole chair with your legs. How hard it is. And they had to jump on the lift and they had to jump off and it just kept moving. And I hit my head when I was trying to jump off. I had to stop the ride.
You stopped the ride?
Yeah, I fell.
Are you going to be okay?
No, and then I hit my head while rolling down the hill.
This is not for some Caribbean people to
We were nice and safe in here, cooking and videotaping.
Next time you'll roll down your own hill here,
Yeah, we
right?
bring some bathtubs and stuff and we just roll down the hill. It's amazing, right? That's the best potato salad I've ever ate in my entire life.
Yes, no, that's a shower.
He said he's gonna soak his stuff in the bathtub.
He woke up so early in the morning, so excited to go.
Last night he was excited.
No, he's never going back.